Essex Weld Solutions is hiring for entry-level and senior welding positions. We use state-of-the-art equipment largely unique to our company. You will receive training on equipment that will be industry standard in the future. The knowledge and experience you gain here will be beneficial for the rest of your career. We invest a lot of time and money into our onboarding program. Through the use of training materials and hands-on mentoring, we do everything in our power to make sure that you feel comfortable and confident. As a CWB certified company, we will provide you with everything you need to become a certified welder. Our main focus has always been growth, and as you know, growth starts from within. We are always looking for hardworking individuals to promote to the next level. As a company, we support you by investing into our employee programs. We treat everyone as an individual, and we will be accommodating to your specific situation. For more information on this opportunity, visit EssexWeldSolutions.com.